Clean the face and neck with facial cleanser. Apply Silk MD Perfection evenly to your face and neck, massaging it into your skin 3 times. Starting at the jawline, gently massage in circular motions toward the area below the ears for 1 minute. Starting at the corners of your mouth, massage in a circular motion toward your ears at a steady pace for 1 minute. Starting at the sides of the nose, massage in a circular motion toward the area below the ears for 1 minute. Lift from the jawline toward the area below the ears for 2 minutes. Lift from the corners of your mouth toward your ears for 2 minutes. Lift from the sides of the nose toward the top of the ears for 2 minutes. Combined with hand pulls, 2 minutes. Gently massage in circular motions from the center of your forehead toward your temples for 1 minute. Using your hands, gently lift the skin from the center of your forehead toward your temples for 1 minute. Massage in circular motions from the lower eyelid to the temples for 1–2 minutes. Starting at the inner corner of the eyebrow, gently massage in circular motions along the brow bone toward the outer corner for 1 minute. Starting from the lower eyelid, lift toward the temples for 1 minute. Place your hands under your lower eyelids and lift them toward your temples for 1 minute. Massage in circular motions from the double chin area to behind the ears for 1 minute. Jawline lift, 1 minute. Using your fingers, gently lift the skin along the jawline, 1 line at a time, for 1 minute. Draw 3 circles on the side of the neck down to the collarbone for 2 minutes. Massage along 3 lines on the side of the neck down to the collarbone for 1 minute. Massage in circular motions on the neck for 2 minutes. Using your fingers, gently lift the skin along the jawline, 1 line at a time, for 1 minute. Clean your face and neck thoroughly. Tie the straps to the chin and head position. Tuck laser fat reduction into the straps to hold them in place. Click Start and wait 20 minutes. Use with facial gel, serum, or over a face mask. Operate by making circular motions or moving slowly. You can apply extra pressure to areas where the skin is swollen or red. When holding the device, avoid covering the fan vents as this will impair heat dissipation and cooling. Apply a face mask, followed by your skincare routine. Cover your eyes. Apply to the skin using a dabbing motion.